What if one simple AI trick could help you create a money-making offer in less than 1 hour?
Fast Money Marion here.
And today I'm showing you a simple AI trick beginners can use to create an offer fast. In this video, I'll show you the AI trick, how it works, what kind of offer to create, and how to use it to find people who may pay you. Now let me be honest, this is not guaranteed money, and it is not a get-rich-quick promise. But this method can help you move faster if you take action. The trick is simple. Use AI to turn one business problem into a ready-to-sell service package. Most people use AI just to play around. But the smart move is using AI to solve real problems for real people. Here's the formula. Pick a niche, find a problem, create samples with AI, package the solution, then offer it to people who need it. The goal is not to get rich in 1 hour. The goal is to create something valuable enough that you can start reaching out today. Step 1 is picking a niche. A niche just means the type of business or person you want to help. Good beginner niches are local businesses like gyms, barbers, salons, restaurants, car detailers, roofers, real estate agents, and small online stores.
Do not try to help everybody. Pick one type of business so your offer feels specific and easy to understand.
For this example, let's choose car detailers. They need customers, they need content, and many of them are active on social media. Step 2 is finding a problem. Every business has problems, but beginners should focus on simple ones. Simple problems include weak captions, no video ideas, boring product descriptions, bad bios, no email follow-ups, or no clear offer. A car detailer may be great at cleaning cars, but their posts might just say, "Book now," with no strong hook or reason to choose them. Here's the prompt trick. Ask AI, give me 20 content ideas for a car detailing business that wants more local customers. Step 3 is creating samples. Samples are important because people need to see what you can do before they trust you. Sample idea 1. Watch this dirty car turn brand new in 30 seconds. That is perfect for a short video hook. Sample idea 2. 3 things ruining your car paint without you knowing. That gives people a reason to watch and learn. Sample idea 3. Interior detail before and after. People love transformation videos, especially when the results are satisfying. Now turn those samples into a small package. This is where the AI trick becomes a real offer. A simple package could be 20 video ideas, 20 captions, 10 hooks, and 5 call to action lines for a local car detailer.
Do not say, "I do AI stuff." Say, "I help car detailers create better content to attract more local customers."
Clear offers win because business owners do not want confusion. They want to know what you do and how it helps them.
Step 5 is finding businesses. You can search Instagram, Facebook, Google Maps, TikTok, or local business pages.
Look for businesses that already post, but their captions are weak, their videos have no hooks, or they are not posting consistently. Send a message like this. "Hey, I liked your car detailing work. I made 3 free content ideas you could use to get more local customers. Want me to send them over?" This can work fast because you are not waiting for people to find you. You are creating value first and putting it in front of people who may need it.
Remember, AI does not replace action. AI helps you create faster, but you still need to edit, communicate, reach out, and provide real value.
So yes, this AI trick can help you create a money-making offer within 1 hour. But the money comes when you take action and put that offer in front of real people.
Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is only the tool. The money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems for real people.